How's it going, family? Welcome back to the channel. I got my road dog right here with me. Say hi, Kingston. We are heading to the property. We need to secure that entry before we can bring any material, any equipment out there. We have to make sure that front entry gate is secured. So we're gonna go out there and take some exact measurements so we can know what size gate we need and things like that. So that's what we're doing right now. Let's get to the video.
Help me be the best that I can be. There's nothing more that I would ever need. Lie together where the sun meets sea. Where we can be together. Where we can be together. Where we can.
It is gorgeous out here. I know I keep saying that, but I keep looking up and I just see all this gorgeous property. Cool fact, I just met another one of my neighbors. Pulled up, he lives at the corner over there. In my intro, you see his pigs running towards my car. He said he got rid of the pig, but he kept the peacocks and the chickens and all that cool stuff. And yeah, I told him that's what I'm trying to do. He says, he keep asking, was this a vacay home? I said, that's my retirement home. Mostly for the kids though. He said he has, he's sitting on the same lot, 2.25 or 2.5 acres, but he got another 5 acres in the back, more up the hill. But he's been out here for 2 years, him and his son. Looks like his son's around Kingston's age. But Kingston's pretty tall for his age. King, come put your bat up, buddy. He's over there wilding out. So I'm gonna see. Should've got the digital one, but this one was only $6. You read those directions over there. So this is a 1,000-foot measuring wheel. So I'm going to measure it out. Should have brought my camera. And when I'm talking on here, let me pull out my secondary camera. I'm such a tall guy. This measuring stick. I hope my neighbors don't drive by and see me with this small little stick here. Let's see. We can line this up so I know. Let's see what we can do here. I know. Oh yeah? All right, watch out. All right, let's take 2 on this one. Let's see if we can get this.
What does that do?
It's a measuring wheel. It doesn't work too great. There's no locking mechanism on here. So like, oh man, hold on. This is not a good one. If this was a review, this thing sucks. Just because there's no locking, like how do I lock it? Hold on, let me see. Like it should be like I can twist. Maybe that's it, here we go. All right, I figured it out. Maybe this thing doesn't suck. I'm gonna give it another shot. I'm gonna give it another shot. That feels better. That's weird, yeah, because I was barely pushing down and the thing was just every little bump. It was going down and down and down. Let's see. Let's see if this is accurate. Now I should have got the digital one. I had a digital one too. Kingston standing right here. This is 157. 167 feet. All right, family. So King and I put the private driveway sign up. We took some measurements of our privacy gate that we are going to put up. We took some measurements of our home that might go right there. I was thinking about having them move the property, clearing some more land back, going all the way back. We still have 2 acres of untouched land out here. They basically cleared a quarter of an acre for us. So this right here is a little bit over a quarter of an acre. So we still have 2 acres of untouched land out here we're gonna get to, but for now we're just gonna worry about what we have, because this is more than enough to put our fence up, to put our borderline fence up, to start working on our front half right here. Take some drone footage so I can see the layouts. We marked out our home here. Here we go. So this right here would be our home. We marked it out. We put these little rocks for now, but we're gonna come back out with stakes. So from that rock to that rock is about 20 feet. So inside here would be our home. The inside where the master room would be. And then it would be, see that star little rock? So the courtyard and be all up in here. That nice little lovely courtyard I showed you. I'll probably put up another post. So all courtyard right here in the middle. And then we marked over here too. So from that rock to that rock, it's another 20 feet. So I'm standing inside of a room right here. This is going to be 2 rooms. And then, let's see. So that would be, if this was a container, that would be the end of a container right here. And this would be the beginning of another container, which I'm not doing containers, but that's just my vision of how I mark it down when I do the floor plan. So that right there to that rock over there. And then this right here would be the kitchen. This right here would be the living room area. Over there would be the front door looking out, seeing the courtyard and that beautiful view right there. And then here would be that other room I want to turn into a library. And then over here will be another door that would walk into the master bedroom. And when you look to the side, you'll see the courtyard. When you look to the front, that nice big gorgeous window will be looking at those mountains out there. And then, yeah, and this is the side yard right here. When we clear out, so that'd be the side of the house. This would be all the plants at. And over there would be either farm animals, or we don't know yet what we're gonna do with the rest. Way over there, that's not cleared yet, is where that RV parking garage is gonna be, if we have an RV. The third gate is gonna be over there by that bush. There's gonna be a third gate that leads to the RV parking spot right there. And then all that back there is gonna be something, but we don't know yet. But hey, I just wanted to make this intro, put this in here somewhere. It's been a long video. I might have to chop this up in 2. The sun is going down and it's gorgeous. Kingston wants to throw some baseball before that sun goes down, so him and I are gonna throw the baseball. And yeah, guys, to everybody who liked, share, subscribe, I do appreciate you guys. If you can hit that thumbs up, if you can hit that hype button. The hype button is something free. It just hypes up the video. It'll put us, I don't know if it puts us on a playlist or not, but it'll get our video seen by more viewers, and that would help us out a lot if you can hit that hype button for us. Hey King, yeah? Come do a little dance for him. Do a little something. Show me something. All right, guys, we're out of here. Check out the video. See our sign, private property. We have a hidden camera somewhere out here. I threw it in one of these bushes somewhere. I don't know. We're gonna see how good that camera is. And I'll let you guys know. When I was at my house, it did lag a little bit in my office, and I got full bars out there, and I had to pay for like a cellular plan with that camera. And oh, that looks pretty. What is that? It's a cloud. And it was spotty. It was, when I moved the camera, it was a super delay, even though I was like right in front of it. It was like a 3-second delay. And when I walked in my room, the spotlight comes on. It's like super bright. I'm pretty sure it gets really dark out here. So if somebody's driving by and that thing comes on, it probably blind them. So I'm gonna try to keep that off. So I would have to have like the camera far back, but if you have it too far back, if somebody came into the driveway, the sensor will not go off. So I don't know. It's a cool camera, but I don't think it's for what I have out here. I have good cellular connection out here, so if I can find something out with Ring or something, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out, guys. But hey, till next time, peace out.